Spinach and egusi stew is on our bill of fare today. Hello, it's a great honor to have you on the channel today. Welcome all, welcome back for clicking on this video and for doing it always. My name is Lena and thank you for clicking on the video. So as I said earlier, we are making spinach stew with some egusi or agushi, which I believe you will love it. Without wasting much of your time, with this recipe you can use spinach or you can use any green leafy vegetables. Okay, if you want kale, you can use it. You can as well use your taro leaves, cocoyam leaves, contemporary, anyhow you call it. I brought in the contemporary and the spinach for a reason, which I'll be sharing with you. Okay, it's funny, but I'll share with you. Now I have with me here my oil. Okay, that is jomi or palm oil, but with this it is well seasoned. Most people call it zomi, but the correct word is jomi. Now I've added my egusi or agushi, which I mixed with water and then salt. We are going to fry this very well till it is well cooked. Okay, should you see any flies around, oh my goodness, forgive me. I am outside, okay, and it is normal, just that we are going to ensure that they don't get into the food or they don't sit on the food. Okay, yes. Now the egusi or agushi is ready. I've removed it from the oil. I placed some oil on fire. I've added my chopped onions. I'm just going to fry these chopped onions very well. We don't want it brown, okay? We are just frying it for some few minutes, maybe 2 minutes, and then we proceed. If today is the first time here, we share easy recipes, which I believe you will like them. So please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for your time. I don't take it for granted, okay? I am so grateful. Now, after some few minutes, we are just going to add our pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and then our tomatoes. They are fresh, okay? Give it a stir, wait for a while, and then we proceed. If you've watched till this point, it means you like what you are watching. Can you please like the video for me? I'll be very happy if you share to others. Leave me your comments in the comment section. And also let me know how you prepare yours in the comment section. I'll be very happy to learn from you. Now, after stirring everything, we will just allow it to be on fire for some time and then add my chopped tomatoes. I brought in the contemporary and then the spinach because a subscriber, I don't know whether she's a subscriber or she was just passing by. I brought you a spinach stew, which I never mentioned in the video that we are preparing contemporary stew, and in the title is spinach stew. And for the past 7-8 years I have not eaten contemporary, even though I have it, okay, but I keep it in the freezer. Then this person was like, this is not spinach. We will continue. So I've added my fish to that. I'll give it a stir and then wait for a while. It was like, this is not a spinach. I'm like, so please, I beg you, can you watch the video with sound and then watch it very well fully, because I never used contemporary for you to tell me that contemporary is different from spinach. So this is all what I said though, and she was like, oh, I will stop watching you. Me, I won't watch you again. Humble yourself. And I've added my egusi or agushi, which we fried. Okay, this happened some weeks ago, but once I was about to edit this video, it occurred to me and I was just laughing. Hey, I said more. Hey, spinach ni control me humility. That is just by the way. See, we are done mixing everything and I'll pour it in a bigger pot, okay, so that we can feel free to prepare it or continue with what we are doing. So Oba, I know spinach, I know contombre. I don't remember preparing contombre stew on this channel. I have never prepared contombre stew before on this channel. Maybe I have done it, Kai, because for the past 7-8 years, Mindy contombre, even though I have it. Okay, yeah. Now this is what we have now. Okay, I'm just going to allow it to be on fire, add my seasoning to it, salt, anything that you want to add to it so that it will taste good. Go ahead and do so. Okay, and then after some time I decided to add my spinach. Spinach and your contemporary. I added my spinach and then give it a stir. You see the way the spinach has relaxed. Okay, it looks very soft. That is how it looks, even if you've not tasted it. If you see it, you will see it. If you are a cook, if you see spinach, you will see it. But contombre would have been in the cooking pot. Like you may see it as something that is hard, but it's not hard, even though it is soft. But or for anymore, still it looks like something that is stiff. Okay, I had to say a monkey is always a monkey. If you whatever thing you do to contombre, still or breath give it a stir so it becomes uniform before we add any other ingredient. Thank you so much. So if you want to grind the spinach, you can go ahead and do so, but with this we did not. We just washed our spinach, place it on fire for it to steam for just a minute, because as soon as you add hot water to your spinach, it becomes very soft or well cooked. You can as well even eat spinach just raw like that, and that is okay. It won't do anything. But with the contombre, you can't eat it raw like that. And if you pour hot water on it, there is no way in a minute contombre could be cooked. You have to cook it very well so that you avoid mouth itch. Okay, so that your mouth will not itch you. Thank you so much. Now our stew looks very delicious. I added some curry powder for the flavor, because this season, oh my goodness, we have planned to pepper our neighbors. We are going to disturb them with flavors. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Our stew is ready, and please do not forget to watch other content on this channel. We have our bangkun, our bowl fruit, and then a lot of them. So go ahead and then go through our videos. Thank you for watching. So I come your way next time. Always remember, I love you, and please take it easy on us, okay? We are human beings. We learn, we do mistakes as well. Bye bye.